Okay, this is a third beagle litter. Those two are females right there. They're both available. Just playing in my office. Nice move. Got a male to the left there, chewing on the cot. There's a brother. Over here's the other male. 3 males, 2 females. Like he has a triangle or a diamond on his back. Very pretty blacks. And some of them have golden freckles all up and down their front legs to go with the gold trim, if you want to call it, on the rest of them. There's some gold. There's some gold freckles. We may not be able to see it very well on the video. Oh, who's here? All small, I want you to pick me up. That one's playing with the other one through the window there. There's some gold freckles. Ticking. I noticed the 2 females really hang together. Whoa, who's that?